darkness, my old friends, I've come to talk with you again, because the visions softly creeping left the seats while I was just sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sounds of silence. Endless streets I walked too long, now streets of cobblestone. Needs to head around the history round. I turn my collar to the core and down. When my eyes are stabbed by the flash of a neon light, it's with the night and gentle sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people talking without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dared to stop the sound of silence. Who said I do not know? Ones that might teach you, take my arms that might lead you. Let my words like silent raindrops fall, echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon cat they made, and the sun flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming, and the signs and words of the prophets are written on the subway walls, and tenement halls, and whisper in the sounds of silence.